Today we are going to learn shapes and numbers. This is circle. It's round. It has no sides and no corners. Here are some examples of circles in our daily life. Donut. Yum. Ball. It's time to play. Clock. What's the time? This is rectangle. A rectangle is a shape with 4 sides. The opposite side are always same length and it has 4 corners. Here are some examples of rectangles in our daily life. Window, books, phone. This is triangle. Triangles have 3 straight sides and 3 corners. Here are some examples of triangle in our daily lives. Tree, watermelon, hat. Your turn. Can you share some other shapes that can be found in our daily life?